Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can use the Bybit P2P platform to make money as an arbitrage hunter, right? Yes, I know a lot of guys are out there looking for how to make money through arbitrage, buy low, sell high, and other stuffs out there, right? Yeah, so I'm going to be showing you how you can use Bybit platform today. So just stay true with me. If you are new to my channel, you're highly welcome. Do well to hit the subscribe button. I share lots of educative videos about cryptocurrency, how you can make money with cryptocurrency, how you can make money staking cryptocurrency, how you can get cryptocurrency jobs, Web3 jobs, and a whole lot of other things about cryptocurrency. So what I just need to do right now is hit the subscribe button. Let's get started. So now the number one platform I'm going to be talking about, like I said, is Bybit. How you can use the Bybit platform to make money as a P2P trader, right? So this is the Bybit exchange, and like as you already know, if you sign up on Bybit and verify your account, you are going to get some percentage if once you register, verify your account, and fund your account with at least $10 to $50. You're going to get some money as a welcome bonus. So I'm going to drop my link via the description. Create account with Bybit and register right now to get some percentage as a new user on the Bybit exchange. But then you must have to verify your account and also deposit some money. Use the platform to qualify for this money, right? So that is it. So to start using the Bybit exchange to trade, the first thing you need to do, I don't know why the network is not so stable right now. First thing you need to do is to log in, into the app. So it's to create your account, but because I already have my own account, I'm just going to log in. So I may have to pause this video to log into my account, then we'll continue from where we stopped. So that's it. Yeah, so we're back. Now I'm logged in on my Bybit account. Once you register an account on Bybit, verify your account and you'll be eligible to get your trading percentage, right? Yeah, so to make use of the Bybit P2P platform, all you need to do is to come to your site, your Bybit app or website, click on buy crypto. You're going to see one click buy, which is the one you buy with your credit card. You're going to see fiat deposit. You're also going to see crypto deposit, which is when you want to send from platforms like Binance or other platforms to Bybit. Then you're going to see zero fees, P2P trading. You click on it. Right, click on Binance, Bybit P2P trading. It's loading. So guys, if you are yet to subscribe, do well to hit the subscribe button. I'm going to be teaching you more educative content about cryptocurrencies, how you can get cryptocurrency jobs, especially right now that the cryptocurrency market is not really very stable. You need some jobs in the cryptocurrency space to make a hell of money from, right? Now you can see that the price for cryptocurrency for USDT on Bybit is within the 711 naira, but on Binance you are going to be seeing 713 naira, 714 naira, depending depending. So Bybit is always some percent cheaper, and you can easily buy from there, just exactly the same process. And when you come to Bybit, you're going to see Bybit tells you the ones that are eligible for you to trade with, and the ones that are not eligible for you to trade with. You can see zero trading fees. Now when you come here, you can see this person is online but he's not eligible to trade with. Let's see, click on it, check now. Please complete different ad. Okay, so you see, um this is within 450 to 750, and Uma is 97%. Remember, you still have to check their percentage. This person has 92%, 97%, 90%. I will always advise you choose the people that are from 90 to 100%. The ones with lower percent, you don't have any business trading with them. So you trade the ones that you are eligible to buy from. And here you can see we have this person. Probably let's buy from him. You click on buy. Network, I don't know what is this with my network. I'm going to put how much I want to buy. He said his lowest limit is 450. I wonder how much 450 is going to give me. The minimum is 1 USD. Then why put 450 naira? So I'm going to buy, just this is for training purposes, so I'm just going to buy him 1 USDT at 751, 711 naira, right? So click on buy. Let's see. You see the price has been changed. Shit. So okay again. Although I didn't really see any price change. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead right now and choose the payment method I want to use. I want to use bank transfer. Where my bank. So I'm going to make my payments. I'm going to pause this video, make my payments, and once the payment has been received by this guy and approved, I'm going to resume back this video. All right, so after I made my payment, I just clicked on payments completed button that was right here. I forgot to record that part, but then after making your payment, you're going to see a button here which says payment completed. You click on it and they will tell you to acknowledge that you've paid. Once you acknowledge, then your coin is already in escrow. Once this person receives the money and confirms that he or she have received the money, Bybit is going to immediately send you your USDT. So this process might take a bit, like 5 minutes. I'm not just going to keep you waiting. So I'm going to pause the video right back, and we'll be back once this person releases the cryptos to show you. But before then, you can see that I have nothing in my asset right now. So when it enters, I'm going to show you. You're going to see 1 USD here, right? Yeah, so that is it. Also take note of this place. You can see complete your payments, coin release in progress. Once the person release the coin, you are going to see transaction completed. So we are going to wait for this guy to release our coin that we've already paid for. Also, you can chat him up. You can chat him up here. Hi, I have made my payments. I've made my payments. Please kindly. Oh, wow. You can see, congrats, you have bought 1.00 USDT. Okay, so you say okay. Now you can see complete your payments, coin release good, transaction completed. And right now back on my asset you will see it's 1 USD. And so that is it. Now you can decide to buy from wherever you see USD at a cheaper rate and come to this place and sell. They have the buying and the selling. You can also buy with fiat depending on what you want. When you come to Binance, Bybit P2P, you're going to see buying and selling. If you are selling, you come here, sell. If you are buying, you come here, and buy, depends. And you can also, if you are trading with big capital, you can buy from Bybit and sell on Binance, because Binance is always higher. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Let's get this video to reach more people, so that more people can get to learn about Bybit P2P trading. See you on my next video. Bye.